Hello everyone, this is just a short little video to show you how to get the Microsoft Office Suite on your computers at home. Now I know when you log on to Microsoft Teams, sometimes it will let you have a web-based version of Microsoft Office, be it Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint. But sometimes your teachers will ask you to download a piece of work and complete it at home and then re-upload it back to them. If you don't have the Microsoft Office Suite, this will be near enough impossible. So this little video will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to find yourself on the Beacon Hill Academy website, beaconhillacademy.org.uk. From here, you can click on the four little squares that will take you into the Microsoft Office portal. So we click that. It may ask you to sign in. For me today, it's not going to ask me to do that. Then the next little step, I'm going to click on my name here. You can see that's me, Mr. Moss here. Click that here, and then click on View Account. Once I do this, a new window will appear at the very, very top. And what I'm going to do then is click Office Apps on the left hand side. Now once you click this, this may look different for different people. Sometimes for me it comes in a white screen, but sometimes like it does today it comes in a red screen. It doesn't really make a difference which way it happens. The one that you'll be interested in is clicking Install Office. Now it does depend on what version your computer is. I would say if you've got an older computer running say something from Windows 7 below, you may want to use the 32-bit version of Word, but if it's just normal, then, you know, for example, Windows 10, then the 64-bit will be fine. If you're unsure, just leave it as it is. You then press Install Office, you'll see a little setup bar come through with you, and it will say, click open, say yes, and then stay online. So I'm going to press save here, and that will download for me, and then I'm going to click close. After this, if I click the little exe file, exe is an executable file, which basically means a program. If I run that, it may come up with this little error, and I press yes, and then it will tell me things are getting ready, and we'll begin to install Microsoft Office. The whole kind of package will take at least 10, maybe 15 minutes to install, depending on the speed of your computer. That's everything for today, and if you do need any help, don't forget to email us at helpline@beaconhillacademy.org.